Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajesh, and today in this new video lecture we will study problem based upon the matrix addition. So here we have taken an important problem, and the statement of the problem is B matrix is given and C matrix is given, and we have to find 3B plus 4C. So if you look at it here, firstly we will find 3B, then we will try to find 4C, and then we will add up both these two. Both these two will be added then. Okay, now let us find 3B first. 3 and B. So it will be 3 as such. This is a scalar quantity. Now write the matrix 2, 3, 0, 1, minus 1, 5. If you see, we have to multiply the scalar with the matrix, and this matrix is of it has 1, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. Fine. And similarly this matrix 1, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. So if you see, both matrices have the same number of rows and columns, therefore the matrix addition is compatible. Compatible means both matrices can be added with one another. So addition is possible. Okay, so now we'll first find, because we have to add 3B plus 4C. So firstly we'll have to determine what is 3B, what is 4C. So for that we multiplied 3 with matrix B, and we know the scalar multiplication with the matrix is taken element wise. Means this 3 will be multiplied with 2, 3 will be multiplied with 3, 0, then similarly will be obtained. So if I write it as 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 5 is 15. So this is the scalar multiplication, and order again will be 1, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. So this is what we have obtained, 3B. Now we will try to see what is 4C. For that we write here 4 and we write here C. So 4 and this will be C. So this will 2 by 3. This is 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 0, 2. So this will be again equal to, now do the multiplication element wise. 4 into 1 will be 4, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 4 into 0 is 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. So again if you see the rows, 1, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. So it is again 2 by 3. So now we will add up these two. So I'm going to add 3B and plus 4C. So we'll see what we get. Write these matrices. So this will be, I'm going to write first 3B, this matrix, 6, 9, 0, 3, minus 3, 15. Okay, next 4C. 4C is this matrix. Write it as 4 minus 8, 12, minus 4, 0, 8. Done. This is again of 2 by 3 order. Now we have to add up these two matrices, and we know the matrix addition is done element wise. So I will do it. You will add 6 into 4, you will get 10. You will add 9 and minus 8. You know 9 and minus 8, you know, is equal to 9 minus 8, which is 1. 0 plus 12 is 12. 3 minus 4, once again add up. 3 minus 4 will be 3 minus 4, which is nothing but minus 1. So this will be minus 1. Minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. 15 plus 8 will be, it will be 23. So this is of order 2 by 3. Therefore, if you see, we have added 2 by 3 matrices and the resultant matrix is of also order of 2 by 3. So therefore, this is the required matrix 3b plus 4c, and in this we have used two concepts. First one is scalar multiplication, in which we have multiplied b with a scalar quantity. Here 3 is a scalar quantity, 4 is a scalar quantity. So scalar multiplication is used in this. Scalar multiplication is used, and also when we obtained 3b and 4c, then we were required to add up these two. So we have added 3b and 4c, therefore matrix addition is also used. So in this we have used two concepts. One is scalar multiplication, another one is matrix addition. So this question consists of the addition of two matrices, that is 3b plus 3b and 4c, where we were given b and c. So that is how we have done it, and this is important question. So now we will take up the next problem based upon the matrix addition and scalar multiplication, and the next problem is given by. So this is the second problem, question number 2. This is given, this thing is given, we have to find capital S and capital Y. So let us see what is capital X and capital Y. For that we write it one below the other. Say this is 2x plus, it will be 3y equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. And now we'll write 3x plus 2y equal to minus 2, 2, 1, minus 5. Now what we have to, we can simply add them, we subtract them, but we will not get x and y. So here what we do, we will make the coefficient of x same in both the equations. So we will try to make the coefficients same in both the equations. So here is 2. If I multiply it with 3 throughout, this is multiplied with 3 and this is multiplied with 3, and multiply it with 2 and also this by 2. So this will make 6x, this will also make 6x, then we will subtract. So I will be writing it as 3 into 2 is 6x, 3 into 3 is 9y, and this is scalar multiplication, element wise it will be multiplied. 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 4 is 12, 0 into 3 is 0. Now you will see here 2 into 3 will be 6x, 2 into 2 is 4y, and this will be 2 into 2 is, and here is minus 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Okay, now you will subtract. So how do you subtract? You will put minus sign over here, minus over here, and minus, then you will add up. Okay, when you will add up, this will cancel out and you will get 9y minus 4y is equal to, you will write 6, 9, 12, 0. Fine. and here is minus as such. This will be minus 4, 4, this will be 2, minus 10. So order will be same, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Now we will just do the subtraction of the matrices. 9y minus 4y. What you will get? You will get 5y is equal to 6. Minus will be multiplied inside. You could write it as 6, 9, 12. It will be 0. This minus will be multiplied with each and every element. So here will become plus. Minus will go inside. This will make it as 4. This will be minus 4. This will be minus 2. This will be 10. So this will be 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10. 9 minus 4 is 5. 12 minus 2 is 10. 0 plus 10 is 10. Okay, this is 5y. So this implies that y is equal to 1 by 5. 10, 10, 5, 10. So this 1 by 5 will be multiplied with each and every entry. So when it multiplied 1 by 5 multiplied with 10 will give 2. 1 by 5 multiplied by with 5 is will give 1. 1 by 5 multiplied with 10 will give 2. 1 by 5 multiplied with 10 will give 2. So this is nothing but the matrix y. This is matrix y. Now we will put this value in any of the equation you want and try to calculate x. So I am using it over here and say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So using y in 1, so this will be 2x plus 3 times, it will be y is 2, 1, 2, 2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. So this will be 2x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. And it will be minus 3 will be multiplied inside. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So this will be 2x is equal to 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 6. So this 2 will be divided. So this shows that x is equal to 1 by 2, minus 4, 0, minus 2, minus 6. So this shows that x will be 1 by 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 0 divided by anything is 0, minus 2 into 1 by 2 is minus 1, 1 by 2 into minus 6 is minus 3. So this is x and this is y that we were required to determine. So that is how we have simply used the concept used in solving the simple algebraic equation that we studied in 8th standard. So concept is very similar and used as such in the matrix addition and subtraction. So by making the coefficient similar of x by multiplying it with 3 and it by 2. Similarly, we could have also made this coefficient of y similar and then subtracted, like we could have multiplied with 2 and by 3. So this will multiplied with 2 will make coefficient of y as 6. When this multiplied with 3 will make it a coefficient of y as 6. So then we'll subtract, then we'll find x and we'll put x determined from here in any of these values. Then we can determine y. So anyways you can do it, it will be right. So in this question we have used the concept of matrix multiplication, matrix addition and scalar multiplication. So this concept is used. Now I will take up the next problem. So the next problem is given by, so this is the next problem, question number 3. Find values of a, b, c, d from the matrix equation. So this is the equation given: a plus 3, 2b minus 8, c plus 1, 4d minus 6. This element is first 0, minus 6, minus 3, and this is 2d. So we have to find a, b, c, d, 4 values. So we know that if these matrices are equal, then they are equal element wise. So when we can compare this a plus 3 with this element, corresponding element. So this implies that from here a plus 3 must be equal to 0. Next 2b minus 8 must be equal to minus 6. Next c plus 1 must be equal to minus 3. Similarly, this quantity 4d minus 6 must be equal to 2d. From here we will try to calculate a is equal to minus 3. So first value we have determined. Next we will determine 2b minus 8 minus 6. From here we will determine the value of b. So this implies that 2b minus 8. So this minus when will go over there, will make it as minus 6 plus 8. This implies that 2b is equal to 2, implies b is equal to 1. So this is the second value. So this implies that c will go over there, minus 1 will go over there. So this will be minus 4. So c is minus 4. From here we will calculate the value of d. So we will see 4d minus 6 is equal to 2d. Fine, this 2d will go over there, 4d minus 2d, and 6 minus 6 will go over there. So this will be 2d is equal to 6. So d will be 3. So these 4 values we have determined. These values are of a, b, c and d. So the concept that we have used over here is that if the mat are equal, then they are equal element wise, and we compared their elements and calculated the value of a, b, c and d. So this question was to find the values of a, b, c and d that we have calculated. So that's all I have from this lecture, and I hope that you will be able to understand how to use scalar multiplication and matrix addition in solving the matrix problems. So we have taken the 3 problems. So I hope that you will be able to solve rest of the exercise questions, and if you find any problem, you could raise your query, and you could write your comment in the YouTube comment section also. Your comment is are always welcome and valuable. So that's all I have from this lecture, and if you have liked the lecture, please like, subscribe, share and comment. This is Dr. Rajesh saying goodbye, take care, bye bye, and see you soon.